This is a South Carolina buzzard with species I don't know. I'm not a freaking scientist, but isn't it amazing? Look at it. What is he doing? What is he doing? What's up, Chief? I hope he doesn't attack me. Whoa. Oh man, he gonna attack me, man. I'm gonna shoot your ass. You fuck with me, bro. I got my gun. Oh shit. This nigga gangster. Oh shit. He posing. Whoa. That's great, buddy. Nice pose, buddy. You see how big that motherfucker is? God damn. Holy shit. Look at this nigga, man. This nigga like being on camera. He doing that James Brown shit. Whoa. That motherfucker big. I don't want your food, buddy. I don't eat that shit. Wow. I ain't gonna get too close to him. He might. Oh shit. Yo, look at this shit. Yo, this shit crazy, yo. What's up, buddy? I don't mean you no harm. I'm just trying to get some footage for Facebook or YouTube, whatever. That social media shit. That's how we eat now. We don't eat out of garbage. Dang. For it to be such a nasty, disgusting creature, it's kind of pretty, ain't it? Beautiful creature. Fuck boy. Nasty ass nigga eating all that shit out. This is amazing footage. Look at it, man. All right.